Hello, this is Mr. McMurray. Welcome back. Thanksgiving break is over, unfortunately, but it's okay. We'll be happy about it anyhow. But back to school. We're going to do Fingerprint Lab today. The good news is that's fairly simple. All right, here's a couple steps you need to do, and then you'll need to send me you have to answer the question on the quiz that will ask you what kind of fingerprint you had and submit that, please. Okay, now, first of all, you need a piece of paper, and I want you to take a pencil and just scribble on it a whole bunch and make really shiny, silvery lead graphite part there, okay? Now, then you're going to take that, and you're going to put your thumb, and you're going to rub it on there and get a good mixture of that stuff on your thumb, okay? Oh, before we get too far along, I guess I should tell you what else you need so that you can do this kind of in order if you want to. Okay, get that whole thumb covered. Let's do your right thumb just so we're consistent with everyone else in the class. All right, you're also going to need so it should be kind of dark there. Okay, you need a type of clear tape. You can just use Scotch tape, that's fine, but any kind of clear tape. I've used this kind of packy tape, plastic tape, whatever they call it. Anyhow, and that'll work. Now, I've laid it over here. I don't know if you can see that. No, probably not. Okay, well, anyhow. I have turned a piece of tape sticky side up, okay? And I'm going to stick my thumb right on it, sticky side up, okay? Kind of roll it around a little bit, make sure the whole thing gets kind of top and bottom and down to the first knuckle joint there. Kind of make sure all of it's got stuck on there. Now I'm going to take this out, okay? And I'm going to put it on a blank piece of index card. You could do paper if you need to, whatever. It doesn't have to be anything. We're just doing it with index cards here. All right. And then tape that onto the paper, and with any luck, that should give you a nice fingerprint. Now, I don't know how well clear that looks to you, but anyhow, that is kind of what you need there. Okay, just a quick fingerprint, and from that, you should be able to identify your fingerprint off of the worksheet that's attached. Okay, and actually, I think I said if you will just email me your thumbprint and what kind it is, okay? Either a picture of your thumbprint or just tell me what kind your fingerprint was once you look on the diagram. And notice there are different things. I don't have the worksheet up with me, so I'll just do this here real quickie. Arch, just kind of the plain arch where it just kind of goes up in the middle and that's it, okay? That's fairly rare. Then we have the tinted, which is more like a steep thing. If you look at the middle here, there's one part that comes up and comes to a sharp point and then comes back down. So it's more of a tinted arch. Okay. More commonly, we have what we call a plain whorl, and then you have a central pocket loop. The central pocket loop looks like a little circle, and then it loops around and around it. The other one just looks like a swirl, like it whirls and whirls and whirls and goes around. Then the other thing are loops, where they come in from one side or the other side, so either a right or left loop. You could have a double loop that kind of looks like a yin-yang in the middle of it, where there's one loop going one way and one loop going the other. And then anything else would be considered accidental. All right, but you can look at this closer on the actual worksheet. And like I said, make sure you send me an email today telling me what kind of fingerprint that you have. All right, enjoy, have fun, and we'll get back to you later.